Guys, thank you for dropping by. So today we'll be looking at how to use your mobile device to remove the background image on the background on the picture. Right, you want to use you want to turn a picture into a PNG right from your phone. You could use a very great app. So I'll show you the app. This is the app you download, the background eraser app by Handy Closet Incorporation. It's a very great app, although it contains in-app ads, but then again it doesn't disturb you much from doing your work. So get this installed, then we'll dive right into the app. So the app is so basic, very straight to the point. Right here you click on load the photo. It goes through your photo list. So I want to edit this. Let's say I want to pick this image. I want to remove this white background around it. So once I add the image, I can crop here. Then once I'm done, I can hit on done. Then I always like placing it on auto. So I go, so you could drag, make this pointer drop on a color section, drop this here, drop this. It's all gone, right? So this is a straightforward image. If it were images that had contours that you could also remove. So once you're done, you go to repair. Right, I don't think there's anything to repair. Just hit on done. Then you need to go to this fine-tuning stage, right? So you just select increase the fine-tune, right? You could see what it does. It cuts out the edges, tries to perfect the edge of the. So once you're sure you've gotten what you need, just hit on save, and that's all. So it's saved to your mobile device, right? You could change this. There's another app. Load a fresh image. Let's say this. I want to edit out. I want to edit out this color background on it. Hit on done. Go on auto. Drop this here. It's all gone, right? It takes out all those. Then I could come back to. I think it's done. Come back to here. Just put it on 2, so it brushes out the edges. So here we go. We'll have our file. So this is the image. So you could drag this into any of your creator apps and all. Thank you guys for dropping by, and keep learning. So do not forget to subscribe and drop a comment.